Imagine yourself in this Dodge 2019 Grand Caravan SXT. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are Quick Order Package 29P, Security Group, 40GB hard drive W/28GB available, 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, audio jack input for mobile devices, CD player, radio, 430 and air conditioning. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.